Yo, what's happening, my good people, man? It's Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. We're heading to the park, little family day. So, yo, this bike rack is the coolest bike rack ever. You don't have to put it into the stem or in the frame of the bike. Just have to mount directly to the wheel. It's made by Swagman. Been using it since 2016. You know, I never leave it in the car. When I don't use it, put it back into the garage. But carries 2 bikes. I know they got 4 bike rack as well, but for now this would do. And who would go to a park without a ball? Yeah, buddy.
Okay, you buy Monster Daily Delivery.
Come on, buddy. Go in. So, just got here in Harmon Beach, man, and it's good to have at least, get out of normal norm after the COVID thing. It's good to be here with the fam. Look at them. How does it feel, Mom?
I like sitting on the ground. It's been a while.
Are we gonna get the chairs?
You want the chair? Okay.
You like it?
I got my food.
You have to get him in the mood. And you have to get the right time too.
I'm just gonna get some food. What do you think of this place? Do you like it? Huh? Say it.
Why is there a little waves?
Little waves? I don't know. You used to big waves?
Yeah, because they're
Bro, it's chill mode right now, man. Riding here in a nice bike. First bike. Tayuk. Looks like Boss Balita is with us. Nakiki Boss Balita. Looks like we got another rider in the back. Chill Phil.
those are flying cars.
This is Chill Will. This is Chill Mill. That is Chill Sil. It's the Chill Fam. Brought to you by Chili's. It's a wrap. It's refreshing to see at least the water and waves with these people behind me. Oh man, it's a good hit. Next week again, boys and girls. Have fun, guys. Thanks for watching.